So let's continue then, guys, with science class, right? We were waiting for people. That's why we.
Mister, we need to copy the questions in the notebook.
No, but I'm gonna explain you first, and then I will tell you what you have to do, right? So
Okay.
I'm gonna show you a presentation. So I need you to pay attention, and when I ask for your participation to read, please be ready, right? So turn off your microphones, and when I say your name, if you have to read, read. But right now, I need you to turn off your microphones, right? Diego? Okay, good. Good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So now, yesterday, guys, we were discussing about what, Miguel? In science class, what we were discussing yesterday. Miguel Avila? Let's see, Miguel Avila. Khaled? Okay, Khaled.
We were
Khaled? Khaled, do you remember what we were discussing yesterday? Andrea, do you remember? Andrea Larissa?
precipitation.
We were discussing about precipitation, right? And what and how clouds are formed, right? That was the topic from yesterday, right? And in the class, we have some examples, right? Or some phenomena, we can call these phenomena, right? Like hail, right? Snow freeze, and all of this, right? So now, today's topic, guys, is about cloud, right? We're going to talk about cloud.
The types of clouds.
The type of cloud we have, right? So get ready because I'm going to explain you, right? Step by step. The first is the type of cloud, right? So if you see in the sky, right, every day or according to the weather we have different, right, type of cloud. Yes or no? Have you noticed?
Yes.
Yes, right. What happened when
Mr. But in one sense of type of clouds.
type of clouds, right? I'm gonna ask you a question, guys. How are the clouds when it will start to rain? Are the same cloud when it is a sunny day?
When it rains, the clouds are dark.
Yes, of course. And what happened in a sunny day?
The clouds are white.
So are different, right? They are different.
Oh.
So it means that cloud, right, tell us something, right? Or give us cloud about when something is gonna happen, right? So let's continue. And what are clouds? So could you please, Andrea Larissa, read this, please?
What are clouds? Sadly, clouds are not made of all of candy floss or cotton wool. Unfortunately, you can't bounce off them. Clouds are actually made of all of tiny drops
Deny.
of water. The highest cloud, these tiny drops change to ice crystal.
Okay. It says that unfortunately or sadly, clouds are not made of candy flakes, right? You know what is a candy floss?
Es como
Yes, of course. Because
eso dulce.
it looks like they are like candy floss, right? Or cotton. They are not from cotton, right? They are
Mr. Like the moon, then some people say that is made of cheese.
yes, of course, but unfortunately, that's not true, right? So what are clouds, right? It says that clouds are made of tiny droplets of water because remember what happened in the water cycle, right? That the water travels to the cloud, right? Becoming in precipitation, right? And those are clouds, right? And then let's continue. And then this what clouds Clouds, sorry, tell us. Gustavo, could you read, please?
Different types of clouds tell us different things about the weather.
Okay.
We are going to look at the following categories: cirrus, cumulus, stratus, nimbus.
Okay, we have different type of clouds, right? So, but what happened? Different type of cloud, the clouds tell us different things, right? Because we were discussing, right, that when we have a sunny day or we have a rainy day, the clouds are different, right? Okay, a question. What happened if the clouds are gray? Or what will happen when the clouds are gray?
It could rain.
Probably it will rain,
It's
right?
gonna rain.
So clouds, right, tell us what will happen, right? Or what can happen, right? And here we have different type of cloud, right? We have cirrus, cumulus, stratus, and nimbus, right? And then cirrus. Andrea Monserrat, would you please read this type of cloud? Andrea Monserrat.
Cirrus.
Cyrus.
Cirrus clouds are the highest form of clouds. They look like paintbrush strokes across the sky. They are made up of ice crystals and are above
18,000.
80,000 feet. They are normally white and predict pleasant weather.
Pleasant weather, right? So this, how do we call this type of cloud, guys?
Cyrus.
Cirrus, right? Cyrus, right?
Cirrus.
So, and what happened when we see this kind of cloud?
Across
They look like paint, right? As you can see in the picture that they are,
They are made up of ice crystals.
yes, of course. So, in the appearance, and what can you tell me about the appearance of this type of
Looks
cloud?
like
Parece que estaban pintando una pared y la pintaron mal.
Yes, of course, right? And then we have the third type of cloud, right? And they are about 18,000 feet. Right? They are so high, right? And they are normally white and predict a placement weather, right? When we see this kind of cloud, it means that the weather will be okay, right? The weather will be right. Okay, let's continue. Miguel Amador, could you please read this one?
cumulus. Cumulus later means a help or light. Cumulus cloud are known as fire weather
As fair
clouds.
weather clouds.
They are fluid and tend to thin on any day.
A
The
sunny day.
most sunny day. The most form of cumulus cloud will not produce any rain or snow. Large form can produce some rain shower, but they tend not to be heavy.
Okay, when we are talking about cumulus, right, are the ones that appear in the picture, right? And they are known as fair weather clouds, right? They are fluffy and tend to be seen on a sunny day, right? We
Mr.
can use,
looks like el atardecer.
yes, of course. And it means when we see this kind of clouds, right, cumulus cloud, it means that the weather will be okay, right? Because they appear on sunny days, right?
Mister, pero parece que va a llover si mira para el
Yes,
otro
but
lado.
yes, of course. And that's, we have here the second part, right? They will not produce any rain or snow, right? But larger, right? The big ones can produce some rain, right? Showers, but these tend not to be heavy, right? It must be a fast rain.
Mister, entonces va a tirar brisa.
Yes, of course, but speak in English, please, Gustav. Okay, do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. And Miguel Avila, please read this. Stratus.
Stratus. These are the most common form of clouds in Britannia.
Britain.
They're Britain. They are low layers of clouds and tend to act as a block to the sun. They are found up 6,500 feet from the ground. They can be any shade from white to dark gray. They often mean rain.
Okay, when we say stratus, right? How is the appearance of this cloud?
Mister looks like unas olas grises
Yes.
or an abstract paint.
Okay, good, excellent. So, and when we see in the sky this kind of cloud, what will happen?
That it's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain. Often mean that it's gonna rain, right? Do you remember so far, guys? Do you remember the types of clouds we have?
Yes.
Which one are they?
Cyrus, Stratus,
Cirrus and
Cumulus.
cumulus, and
Cyrus.
it is missing
Cumulus. Ah,
this one, Angeles. Angeles?
Is a word which can be added to the other types of clouds, e.g., cumulonimbus. Nimbus are clouds which bring us snow and rain.
Snow and rain, right? Nimbus, do you think that nimbus appear here in Honduras?
No,
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 right? Why not?
because here don't fall snow.
It never snow, right? It never snow, right? So we don't have this kind of cloud, right? So, but what can you tell me about the appearance of these clouds? They look like,
There are Cali.
Mister looks
Mister,
like
Rain.
Mister, the nimbus
Rain.
looks like the Himalaya bring to down, and that's a lot of snow.
yes, of course. So someday we will see this kind of clouds, right? So let's
in
continue.
the future.
The last one. I think that this is with the last one, Caleb.
Mister looks like a tornado.
Yes, excellent.
La
Caleb,
familia del futuro.
Caleb,
Yes?
read this, please.
Cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus are storm clouds. They can reach enormous sizes. The rain they produce comes suddenly and
Suddenly,
dramatically.
yes.
They can also produce snow and hailstones and cause thunder and lightning
Lightning
storms.
storms,
Countries can even cause tornadoes.
close tornadoes, right? Kenneth, what can you say about this kind of clouds? Do we have here in Honduras?
Yes.
Yes, right? Because here in Honduras, sometimes we have, how do we call the pieces of ice we have here?
Hail.
Hailstone, right? And here we call them granizo, right? And also we have thunder, right? And lightning storm. So we have this kind of clouds here in Honduras, right? Because when it rains, the weather becomes crazy, right? And also, thank God, we haven't had, right, tornadoes here, right? But it could happen as well, right? So now we are going to solve these questions, but we are going to do it here, right? So, which type of clouds is the lowest lying? About the one we discussed, which is the lowest lying we have? Okay. Then we have the answer, but I'm gonna, okay? Which type of cloud is the lowest lying?
Wait, mister.
Hurry up, because we have 3 minutes. No, you don't have to write this. You may write it later. I need you to answer these questions. The lowest. Think about it.
Cyrus.
Cyrus, let's see. No. Stratus, right? Okay, number 2. What is the name of the highest type of cloud? I think that this kind of cloud,
Wait, mister.
18,000 feet. Do you remember?
Oh, mister, I know what is, but
Which
I
one is
don't know
it?
the name.
Cyrus, okay, Cyrus.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
excellent, Miguel. Okay, number 3. Which type of cloud means that there is a storm coming? Caleb?
No,
Which one, Caleb?
como los nimbus.
Which one?
Como los nimbus.
Okay, let's see. I think that is another one, but okay, good, excellent, 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 Caleb. Okay, number 4. What are clothes made up of?
Water.
Clothes are made of tiny drop of water. Good, excellent, guys. The last one. I think that this is the last one. Okay.
Espera que no le he copiado todo.
No, you may copy this later on, right? What do cirrus clouds look like? Which is the appearance of this cloud?
Una pared mal pintada, como dijo Gustavo.
Okay, let's see. They look like paintbrush stroke in the sky. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Good job. Let's give a big round of applause to everyone. Let's give applause for everyone.
Mister, the time of the...
Mister, ponga.
Mister,
Okay,
póngalo porque no he visto. No lo copié todo.
No, we don't have time, guys. So,
Yes.
I'm